The next gen Tata Tiago. Dual tone interior, dual smartphone deck but wireless charger. Zip fast 100% watt syakmat bercedian, blind view monitor, bagi kiwai. Tek kum ki kali rem, hagador ke berjam, tak sao pun riulak. Just wow.
Kesorkan Meghalaya kalapan Kiew ya kemang pisa banshna ya ke New Shillong Water Supply Scheme NSWSS Phase 1 na kabalamang menshwa sunspa laipupra point sau Klur sya ke nyospa nyopuar point knaar Klur tingka bat ya kanila pentip do Marquis and Marak Myntri ke tanat PHE habajubab ya ke call attention bala wan ra do ba Havingstone Karpran MLA na mauring keneng hakasngi baar ke dorbar senrai jong ka ying dorbar thawan ke jela haka arpusan tarik unailar arah ja arpun riu Myntri uloong baga niga scheme ketemu ban penbiang ya ke umbam umdi ke bebiang bat ke benek slam sen New Shillong Township mau kanu Knowledge City bat life art lagi senong ki bemarjan kentop ya ke mau diang ke mau pedang ke ding pasok ke nong hali ke sauli bat kiwai ringkat bat ki jaka traikam bat ki jaka puli Ulapen tip bahapok ke phase 1 ansna ya ke dam bat ya ki jakwell hanong hali hakawa ken ke MS pumping main stage 1 pumping station hading paso ki pumped bat motor water treatment plant hamau pedang ki linti singkian ke SCADA system bat ru ke jingthiet jaka hababata ya ke daw jong jing kiu ke jing lot Myntri uloong badan bon ki daw ki bala penlong ya ke jing pen kala ya ke jing mang tingka ke daw ke bakong san kalong ke jing pen kenria ya ke jaka shna dam chajrong jong kawa hadin bala lap bala thmu bashna jaga the nyot hajan ke jaka ke bala jet hanong hali
Departments under the rule 54 sub rule 1 of the rules of procedure and conduct of business to the news item published in Nongsan Hima dated 6 May 2026 under the caption daga aspakat nyukru Kiew kjing pelut jaka phase 1 jong New Shillong Water Supply Scheme. Mr. Chairman, sir, I wish to address an issue that is crucial to our community through this New Shillong Water Supply Scheme, phase 1. This project has been seen significantly and repeatedly in the news in recent times. However, if this project will truly succeed, it is important to address some key concerns. Madam Chairman, sir, as an elected representative of New Shillong area, I am aware of the challenges that we face regarding the water scarcity and also access to clean and reliable water. Mr. Chairman, sir, we know that water is one of the important natural resources out of the three vital natural resources that we have, like soil, vegetation, and water. Water is the most crucial. So there is saying that water is life, life is water. Mr. Chairman, sir, I want to address on 5 key concerns. Firstly, I would like to share a few concerns before the minister in charge of PHE regarding the sanction amount for the first phase, which was sanctioned earlier an amount of 553 crores, but now it was enhanced to rupees 770 crores during 2026-27, an increase or enhancement of 217 crores, which is a huge amount. It comes to 39%. So, Mr. Chairman, sir, I would like to know the reason why in the span of just 2 years, the sanction amount has been increased to 217 crores. I want to know on the matter as to ensure the transparency and accountability. So I need the clarification on this matter. Number 2, sir, as regards the infrastructural development in the area, I have visited the site in June 2026 this year. I found that the road connectivity to Nonghali and also even to the project site, where there is a water source, I found still lacking and need a lot of improvement. And some of the entry-point activities will need to speed up. So I want to suggest also that for the safety of the village community, that the government should install even solar street lighting in the village, especially to the road to the project site. That's my suggestion. Number 3, regarding the biosecurity and sustainability of Umkhan River catchment. This Umkhan River serves as lifeline for many villages in the area, more than 20 villages. We would like to draw the attention of the government while implementing this project to take care of the environment, especially protection and conservation of soil, water bodies, vegetation in and around the river. The government should take up even afforestation in the blank patches in the area to ensure the long-term sustainability and also to maintain the cleanliness of the surrounding area. Number 4, sir, as regards the growing employment problem nowadays which people are facing, I urge government to consider the involvement of local contractors while implementing this project. There may some components which our local contractors can take up. So, by doing so, I feel it is also a matter of trust and community empowerment. There will be a sense of belonging, the sense of ownership, and the sense of responsibility. Lastly, sir, I would like to suggest to government that while implementing this mega project, it's a big amount, so I suggest that the government should constitute the monitoring committee. By doing so, this monitoring team should conduct regularly for the smooth and effective implementation of this project. Sir, I also suggest the government to devise a plan or mechanism that during the post-project period, for the proper maintenance, operation and management of this project for the assets created by including all the stakeholders. That's my humble suggestion. Lastly, sir, since this new Shillong Water Supply Scheme holds a great promise, especially for people of that area, let us embrace this opportunity with vision. Again, that include local employment, environmental stewardship, and for proper management. With this submission, I resume my seat.
Now, Sri Marcos and Marak, Minister in Charge, PHE, to reply, please.
Honorable Deputy Speaker, sir, I am pleased that Sri Hebingston Karpan, Honorable MLA of Morang Kneng ST constituency, has raised this pertinent question on the news item that appeared in U Nong Sain Hima, dated 6/5/2026, under the caption, Daka Rs 217 Klur Kiew ka Jingpinlut Jongka New Shillong Water Supply Scheme. Under the Rule 54.1, during the autumn session of Meghalaya Legislative Assembly 2026. Sir, in response to the question, I am pleased to inform the August House that, number 1, the new Shillong Water Supply Scheme is designed to ensure sustainable potable water supply to the new Shillong Township, Maukhanu Knowledge City, and 32 adjoining villages: Umsoli Village, Maulong Village, Mauyer Village, Seisiach Village, Maukendring Village, Lamkse Village, Lumdingsai Village, Dingyong Village, Malin Ray, Maudiangdiang, Umro, Mokasiang, Sijiong, Tenreng, Mapadang, Washure, Umir, Mausharo, Mautumdu, Maukano, Rikso, Solaper, Mawiyong, Dengpaso, Sirward, Kaput, Jeroit, Nongtamai, Nongali, Nongtir Kong, Menriang, Nongkro, including institutions, offices, etc. Number 2, under Phase 1 of New Shillong Water Supply Scheme, the scope of work consists mainly the construction of dam, pumping system, pumping mains, treatment of water only with the main clear water reservoir. Number 3, new Shillong Water Supply Scheme Phase 1 was designed to pump and convey the water from the dam location up to the treatment plant location. The main components of work under Phase 1 are as follows. 1. Construction of the dam at Nongali, Umkhen River. 2. Construction of jack wells at Nongali, Umkhen River. 3. Laying of MS pumping main. 4. Construction of Stage 1 pumping station at Dieng Paso. 5. Installation of pumps/motors at jack wells and Stage 1. 6. Construction of treatment plant at Mopadang. 7. Construction of approach roads. 8. Installation of automation SCADA. 9. Land acquisition. Number 4. The original sanction of New Shillong Water Supply Scheme Phase 1 was accorded by PHED/CE-PHE-1472/2324/CON, dated 15 March 2024, amounting to rupees 538.44 crores. Number 5. The revised New Shillong Water Supply Scheme Phase 1 was sanctioned by number PHED/CE-PHE/147/2324/CON, dated 26 May 2026, amounting to 772.924 crores. Sir, reasons necessitating revision of course Phase 1. Implementation of the project has progressed substantially. However, unforeseen site constraints and mandatory design changes have emerged, which could not have been reasonably anticipated during DPR preparation. The revision of the estimate has become unavoidable due to following interrelated factors. Number 1, shifting of dam location. The originally proposed dam site has been shifted further upstream after learning that a landfill is also proposed in the vicinity of the original proposed dam site at Nonghali village. To avoid any further future environmental and public health risks associated with the landfill, the shifting has resulted in increase in dam with overall structural dimensions, modification to overflow and non-overflow sections, redesign of radial gates, spillways, and upstream/downstream aprons. These changes have substantially increased civil and mechanical construction quantities and costs, rendering the originally sanctioned estimate inadequate. Number 2, additional earthwork for jackwell slope stabilization. The upstream shift of the dam location has altered local topography around the jackwell periphery, necessitating additional excavation, earthwork, and slope stabilization measures to ensure structural safety and long-term operability. These works were not part of the original scope and have contributed to the revised cost. 3. Compensation demands from local Durbar Shnongs. The laying of raw water pumping main pipelines across customary lengths has led to formal representations from Durbar Shnongs of Nonghali, Dieng Paso, and Mopadang villages, seeking compensation for land usage and associated impacts. Compliance with these community demands is essential for uninterrupted project execution and social harmony. 4. Requirement of dedicated power light supply. The operational assessment during execution revealed the critical necessity of a dedicated and reliable power supply for pumping stations to ensure uninterrupted water supply. This requirement was not captured in the original DPR, and provision of independent power infrastructure has now become mandatory for system reliability and efficiency. Fifth, road restoration compensation at Jeroit village and Dieng Paso. Due to change in alignment of pumping main at Jeroit village, Dieng Paso village, approximately 1.5 kilometers of existing PWD road must be dismantled and excavated for pipeline laying. The Public Works Department has accordingly submitted a separate road restoration and compensation estimate, which has been incorporated into the revised project cost. This is the justification that, because to justify the enhancement of 217 crores, sir. Thank you, sir.
Now, Honorable MLA can seek one clarification.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman, sir. I want to know from the Honorable Minister in charge of PHE the time frame. When will be this project will be completed?
We are targeting next year, December 2027, sir.
Now we come to item number 4, short duration discussion. Sri Aden M. Basamot, MLA, to raise a short duration discussion.
Habatin, page bahagi kishap, kashap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam, dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata, habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut, page ya kashap plus F hakajing som. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat ka batau bha kam kta ika dur jingki marbam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki balehi banai kita kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka kia ka nutrition ba khambha ka jing im ba khambha pendon kam daki marbam badon ka sharp plus F menta ka sngi
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.